How to get Trust Wallet extension on your PC or laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to install the Trust Wallet extension on your PC or laptops, then the process is quite easy. Firstly, open up your web browser on your computer or your laptop and type in trustwallet.com. Soon, you'll end up in the official website of Trust. From here, go ahead and click on the download extension button on the left and choose your web browser. You can download it for Chrome or Brave. Click on one of the options and follow through the instructions. You'll see a little Get button under the Extension tab. Click on that and click on Add Extension. Now wait for the extension to download and install. Once the Trust Wallet extension is installed, click on View Extension and you can pin the Trust Wallet extension at the top and now click it open. And there you have successfully installed the Trust Wallet extension on your PC or your laptops. You can now go ahead and sign into your existing wallet or create a new one. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.